Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. Today we'll be discussing part 2 of a 3-part series from CoverGirl, Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl. And Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl is a product line that is cruelty-free and not tested on animals. So that being said, I think it's a great way to start a new week. Part 1 happened yesterday when we were discussing their concealer and their foundation and how that it's, dermatologist tested, it's non-comedogenic, it's also for sensitive skin, it's oil-free as well. So it's a great product line and it is cruelty-free as well. So this series, part 2 of part 3, is looking into more in-depth of some of their products as well and what they actually have to feature for the savvy consumer. And the savvy consumer being a teenager, a young person, a young girl, 13 to 15 to 17 years old, or even in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, where you do not want to spend the money on a $50, $60, $70 foundation when you can get all these products Canadian for around $60, if not $50 or cheaper, from a drugstore or even Walmart. Walmart sells them cheaper than drugstores. So make sure that you check your local Walmart before you actually check your drugstores as well, because the price point will be cheaper there as well. So part 2, we're going to begin right now and dive in. So if you haven't joined my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up, a like, a comment. I'm always interested to know what people are thinking and always interested to know on what products they would like me to review, what products they would like to see on a skin or a model. We have microblading coming up as well, and we have Jeffree Star Cosmetics coming up as well, which I'm super stoked about to be reviewing. So that being said, let's dive into part 2 of the 3-part series on CoverGirl Affordable Makeup. So I'm taking off my glasses and removing them. And today we'll be talking about, we've already applied the CoverGirl. I've already applied my skincare, and I've already applied my eye cream, my moisturizer, my repair serum. I then applied the CoverGirl 01 Light Concealer around my eyes and my cheek area to reduce redness. Then I actually applied the CoverGirl Clean Sensitive Foundation, oil-free, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, will not clog your pores, fragrance-free as well. So you know what, fragrance-free is great because you know what, a lot of people don't like colorants and fragrances in their products. So fragrance-free, kudos to CoverGirl for that one, and kudos for being cruelty-free and not been testing on animals. So I have the concealer on, I have the foundation on. Now we're going to be talking about the CoverGirl Clean Sensitive Skin Powder, and the color that I've chosen is in 250 Creamy Beige. So 250 Creamy Beige comes in a compact, roughly sells for $8.99 or $9.99, comes with your little sponge as well. So I'm just going to swirl that around, and I'm actually going to just pat it onto my skin like so, around the eye area where I actually place my concealer. I'm just using tapping motions, almost like I'm stippling foundation into my skin. So this is also oil-free as well, and it gives a fresh face look to the skin. So also dermatologist tested as well. And you can apply this just by itself as opposed to actually wearing foundation. So you can wear it by itself, or you can put it over top of a foundation. So that being applied, you have your little mirror so you can see exactly what you're doing. So if you're going to a girlfriend's place or a house or anything like that, you can see exactly what you're doing. So put that back into a little compact, close it up, and now we're moving on to, I've already applied a nude lip liner from CoverGirl as well. Now we're actually going to use one of their lipsticks, and I have never used a CoverGirl lipstick before in my entire lifetime. So I'm going to apply that. It's actually called, it's a cream-based lipstick, and it's 245 Honeyed Bloom. So we're going to apply that right to our lips right now. So cream-based, being super creamy on the lips. Lots of moisture and cream. So we have much more of a pinkier color to that. Then we're going to apply the CoverGirl brow pencil to my brows in a honey brown color just to accentuate them a little bit more. Just like so. And extending on the tips. So it's always important. I mean, my brows are microbladed, but I do fill them in as well from time to time, just to get a different effect. So if your brows are tattooed, ladies or girls, because you could have them microbladed by now, if you're in your 20s or early 30s, or even if you're 18, you might have them microbladed. So I filled those in with the honey brown brow pencil. And on the opposite end is your comb, just to comb it through to get a nice look. Now if you wanted to, you could spray hairspray on the back of this wand, and then they would be set in place for the entire day, which is fabulous. So moving on, we're going to apply the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara for sensitive eyes as well. And I've never actually used this product, so I'm super excited to apply it. So CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara, just look for the orange tube. So we have what's called basically a rubber wand, and I'm gonna apply it onto my lashes. This is a brand new mascara for me, so let's see how it works. You're supposed to get huge volume of lashes with this. As you can tell, I love mascara. I usually wear it on a regular basis. Applying onto the other eye as well. And this is a black-brown color, just so everybody knows. But just so everybody knows too, your eyes cannot distinguish between black-brown and brown. So if you're applying black or brown, it looks like it's gonna be black on your eyelashes, because most people's eyelashes are a black color anyways. So what I'm noticing is that this mascara is slightly dry, it's slightly wet. I'm not necessarily a big fan of this mascara after applying it, but you know, it's a mascara, retails between $6.99 and $9.99. Now we're going to be using the Rose Nights True Blend palette. So exciting, 3 products in one. We have your blush, we have your highlighting color, and we have your contour color as well. And on the back side, it actually explains here exactly, if you guys can see that, where to apply the blush, the contour, around the forehead, you know, and around the, in through here, around the chin. So it tells you exactly what you can do with it and where to apply the highlight colors as well. So I'm going to open this. So it's your 510 True Blend Serving Sculpting Palette. And I reviewed earlier yesterday the Naked Urban Decay palette. So I'm interested in seeing what the shimmer is like on this, if it's metallic or if it's more luminous, like the Luminous Naked palette from Urban Decay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the blush first with a blush brush, tapping off the excess onto the cheek area. So ladies, and teenagers and millennials, when you're buying products, look for ones that come in a compact that has like 3 things in it. Why carry around a whole whack of crap? So, that being said, blush is applied. Now, moving on, we're going to try the highlighting color. So this is the highlighting color here. We're going to use my little highlighting brush. It's a little more flimsy. I'm going to apply it right above. Ooh, look at that color. Wow, almost like a horseshoe shape we're going in. Can you guys see that shimmer? Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. Wow, CoverGirl, you've actually done a great job of that. Wow, I'm actually impressed with this one. Do the other side as well. So you want a multifunctional product. So when I say multifunctional, you may be paying $10 or $12.99 for that, but if you buy these 3 products separately, you'd be paying like 30, 40 bucks. So, you know, it's more economical to purchase products when they're combined. That being said, we now have the bronzing color to apply. So I'm using a big, fluffy, kind of pink brush, and I'm dipping it into the bronzing powder, applying it forehead, clockwise down and around, dipping in it again, clockwise down and around, down my neck area as well, chin area. Now that also tells you to contour up through the hairline, which I'm doing, down in and around here as well, for a perfectly contoured face. You can use it down the bridge of your nose as well. And voila, there's your look. We can fix her hair. We can put back on her glasses. Or actually, I won't put them back on because I like my look right now. So thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and this is affordable makeup from Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl. So if you haven't done so already, join my channel. It's absolutely free. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell button for future notifications when I upload new content. Thank you so much, viewers and audience, for watching. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. Enjoy your Monday and stay safe, be loved, and be happy. Cheers, everyone.